morning, Sarah Short. Today is June 8th. King Gus Gus is our reporter 2. That guy in the middle is the weather report. I'm enthusiastic after reporter 1. Interesting fact of the day. Did you know SEL stands for social and emotional learning? I'd like to give a shout out to Lynn for being a great SEL doll. Now for our weather report with that guy in the middle.
Thank you, enthusiastic Evan. Today's weather will be cloudy with a high of 83 and a low of 60. Tomorrow will be stormy. Now you can go.
Thank you, the guy in the middle. Sayer's word of the week is gargantuan. The definition is extremely large. Here is the word of the week in the sentence. The roller coaster was gargantuan. Try to use it in your writing lesson. Hot lunch choice for today is hot dog. If you don't like the hot lunch choice for today, there is always the yogurt or box lunch. That's all for today, everyone. Remember to always be Sayer sharp, safe, honest, aware, responsible, and kind. Please stand for the pledge of allegiance.